You hear people in different professions say, I was born for this. The way I was raised, it was all about following your dreams. Competing's really what I love. That's what I was born to do. Riding was everything to me for a long time. I raced pro for 6 years, and it was exactly where I wanted to be. It was all I knew, it was all I wanted, it was all I thought about. It was life. Those years racing pro, I gained so much as a human. I really found myself, and it just gave me so much in life and really got me to a point where I was ready for the next step. I started realizing that I wanted a different kind of success, and so that's what I'm after.
The transition into real estate was pretty natural.
It's a competitive career, and there's a ton of other people out there working hard and really trying to make it happen. I just really believe in myself. I believe in my creativity and originality. I've never been scared to carve my own path and do it my own way.